guys, Go501 here, and today we are playing Robots the video game. And I'm going to try to finish the whole game, and I'm sorry, but I'm using screencast to be lit, and it only has a 10-minute time limit until you get the actual one that you can have unlimited time, but I don't have enough money to get it, so I'm sorry, but we're going to use screencast to be lit. We're playing Robots the video game. I'll see you guys in there. Save complete, let's start. That was weird.
This is my son, Rodney Kaufman. He showed great interest in inventing ever since he first saw Big Wheel. From then on, he never missed an episode of the Big Guy's show. He started inventing things on his own before he could even ride a bike. He really took Big Well's motto to heart. You can shine no matter what you're made of. And we gave Rodney all the encouragement possible.
I actually remember when I actually got the movie, and I watched it a couple times. It didn't really interest me much. It kind of reminded me of Shrek for some reason, which is really odd. Rivet Town is where Rodney was born, and I actually played the entire game, but I haven't actually done an actual Let's Play because
Hey, Rodney! You're going to Robot.
I actually got this when I was actually little, so maybe like 6 or 7 years old.
You just need to find a piece. Take a look around, and then come see me behind Mr. Tinhead's shop.
This is also on PS2, PlayStation 2, so the things might be inverted. All the trailer is scrapped to Mr. Tinhead shop. Yep. You have to use the up pad to go up, and you have to use the down pad. And you have to use the analog stick to go up, and you have to use the analog stick to go from down to go down.
Hey, Rodney, glad you made it. Now, let's practice jumping. See these crates? You can reach the tops by jumping. For the really high ones, use your double jump. If you don't quite reach, don't worry. You'll grab the ledge, and then you can lift yourself up.
And you have to use this. Oh my god. I'm so not used to this. I might have to cut the video short, close to my 10-minute mark, so I can make the video, this first level, finished before I can actually move on to the next level. Yeah.
Hey, Rodney! You need to get those parts for your Wonderbot. You should be able to get them using your jump, double jump, and ledge grab move. Well done, son. That's all the pieces in this area. I'm going to the town hall. There's some more pieces there. Come find me when you get a chance.
Alright, sorry about that. I had to cut it because we already reached the 3-minute mark and we're about to reach the 4-minute mark. Basically what we're doing is we're going to use a little parkour over here, over the buildings, and get the rest of these pieces. So we gotta wait for the elevator to come on. I remember playing this so much when I was a child. I mean, not a child, but when I was littler, anyway. Oh, no. Thought I wasn't gonna make it there. What I'm gonna do for this series in particular is I'm just gonna have to end up doing individual missions for each episode because of my limited time until I get the actual screen capacity. I'm really sorry. I'll try to get that fixed as soon as possible.
Well done, Rodney. You found all the pieces. Let's see if we can get them. There we go. Rodney, I'm really proud of you. It's a
Can I
fantastic
skip
event.
this? There. Alright. So what he basically just gave me is grow up parts, so he looks like the actual one from the movie. And I have to go over to his cafe.
Now, Rodney, you need to be able to look after yourself in the city. I'm going to show you how to use the scrap launcher. Hold down the inventory button and rotate the items until your scrap launcher is selected. Excellent work, son. That's the scrap launcher. There are two ways of using it. Let's give the first a try. See those plates over there? Try smashing them with your scrap launcher.
You want me to smash your plates? But you work here. I can't. Okay.
Excellent work, son. Mr. Gunk will probably deduct from my paycheck for all those. But if you learn from it, then it's worth it.
Okay, as long as
Anyway,
video,
I'll tell you a little secret now. There's a second mode for accurate scrap launching. You see that target behind me? Hold the target button and hit the bullseye to start the conveyor belt.
You kept this a secret from me this whole time and you haven't told me. I'm your son, come on.
Well done. You can use the scrap launcher against any bad robot, but you'll need scrap. If you run out, you can always use your wrench, but it's not as powerful. Listen, Rodney. Some of the customers have complained about the noises coming from out back. Could you check it out? Meet me outside the town hall once you're finished.
He wants me to clean his own mess up. He works here, I don't. Why do I have to deal with this? I don't even work here. He acts like he doesn't even know anything.
Hey, no, let's scrap.
For some reason, I don't really know why, but I thought in this game he never talked. And it would always weird me out why. Come on, go out. I'm gonna go see that. Alright, basically we're in the town hall, and basically our dad sent us in here to collect 10 gold scrap, because we need to buy a ticket in order to get to the next level, and there's 10 pieces to be collected in here. So I'm gonna try to collect these before my time runs out. Can I come over here? Yes, I can. Being a giant boss at hardcore. Oh no, crap. How am I missing?
Hope you had a warranty on those parts.
No, you didn't. Oh my god. I'm missing. How am I missing? There we go. Anybody else want to come up against Rodney? Anyone want to come up against Rodney? Don't think so. So I thought. Okay, terribly sorry. I'm sorry I had to cut it, but we're almost done with my 10-minute limit, and I just didn't want to waste your guys' time just having me search for these all in pieces. But we're almost done with this level. Gotta talk to Dad one more time.
Rodney, that gold scrap hasn't burned a hole in your pocket yet, huh?
I don't have any pockets.
Go up to the attendant and buy your ticket.
Actually, I really don't have any pockets at all. The shorts don't really have any pockets at all. Hi, our next train is the City Express.
Our next train is the Robot City Express. Ticket first. Tickets cost 10 gold scrap. I want.
Yeah, I want. Enjoy your trip.
Enjoy your trip.
And that's pretty much going to end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll catch you guys later.